Upgrade your workshop with reliable performance and precision built for everyday grinding tasks. Today, we're going over the best-rated bench grinders from our top picks, perfect for both home garages and professional workshops. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. DeWalt DW758 Bench Grinder. The DeWalt DW758 Bench Grinder is a heavy-duty machine designed for users who need reliable performance in industrial and workshop grinding applications. At its core is a powerful 3/4 HP induction motor that runs at an impressive 3,600 RPM, allowing for fast and efficient material removal. This high speed makes it especially suitable for shaping metal, sharpening tools, and handling demanding grinding tasks without bogging down. The rugged cast iron base and motor housing add significant durability, ensuring the grinder remains stable during operation and withstands long-term use in tough environments. One of the standout features of this bench grinder is its precision-machined aluminum tool rests, which help users accurately position their work for consistent and controlled results. This level of precision is particularly valuable for professionals who require repeatable accuracy in sharpening or grinding jobs. The rear exhaust ports built into the wheel guards contribute to smoother operation by improving airflow and reducing heat buildup during extended use. Number 2. Oregon 120-volt Bench Grinder. The Oregon 120-volt bench grinder is a specialized and practical choice for semi-professional and home users who regularly work with chainsaws and cutting tools. Designed to be bench or wall-mounted, this grinder fits seamlessly into a workshop or garage setup, making it highly convenient for routine sharpening tasks. Its biggest advantage is the ability to sharpen chainsaw chains at home, saving both time and money by eliminating frequent trips to professional sharpening services. The grinder supports sharpening up to 0.404-inch pitch chains and works with a wide range of popular brands, including Oregon, Steel, and Husqvarna, making it a truly universal chain sharpener. Safety and ease of use are also key strengths of this model. The one-way motor rotation enhances operator safety, while the manual chain clamping vise ensures the chain remains secure during sharpening for consistent results. Oregon includes a generous accessory package with this grinder, such as 2 grinding wheels in 3.2mm and 4.7mm sizes, a 6mm flat profile disc for depth gauge maintenance, a dressing brick, and a profile guide. These inclusions allow users to perform a variety of sharpening and maintenance tasks right out of the box.
Number 3. RIKON Rubber Bench Grinder. The RIKON Rubber Bench Grinder is a thoughtfully designed slow-speed grinder that prioritizes precision, safety, and reduced heat buildup, making it ideal for sharpening hand tools. Equipped with a powerful 1/2 HP motor running at 1,750 RPM, this grinder offers ample torque while maintaining a slower speed that minimizes the risk of overheating tool edges. This makes it especially appealing to carpenters, turners, carvers, and craftspeople who work with delicate cutting tools. The grinder comes fitted with high-quality 8-inch white aluminum oxide wheels in both 60 grit and 120 grit, providing flexibility for coarse shaping and fine sharpening tasks. Stability is another strong point of the RIKON grinder. Its cast iron base, combined with anti-vibration rubber feet, significantly reduces movement and vibration during operation. This stability improves accuracy and helps prevent mistakes that can occur when tools chatter against the wheel. Safety features are well integrated, including adjustable eye shields and spark resistors that allow users to work confidently. Number 4. Jet 8-inch Bench Grinder. The Jet 8-inch bench grinder is a robust and dependable machine built to handle demanding workshop environments with ease. Featuring both fine 60 grit and coarse 36 grit vitrified grinding wheels, it offers versatility for a wide range of grinding, shaping, and sharpening tasks. Whether you need aggressive material removal or more controlled finishing work, this grinder is equipped to handle both. Its cast iron construction provides excellent durability and stability, ensuring smooth operation even under heavy use. The pre-drilled base makes mounting the grinder on a stand or workbench simple and secure, which is essential for maintaining control and safety during operation. Jet places a strong emphasis on safety and compliance, as this grinder follows strict electrical guidelines and is CSA/CUSA certified. Adjustable tool rests and safety shields allow users to customize their setup for accuracy and protection, enhancing overall confidence while working.
The toggle switch with a safety key is another thoughtful feature, helping prevent unauthorized or accidental operation in shared workspaces. With its solid build quality, reliable performance, and well-designed safety features, the Jet 8-inch bench grinder is well-suited for professionals and serious DIY users alike.
Number 5. Buck Tool 8-inch bench grinder. The Buck Tool 8-inch bench grinder is a feature-rich machine designed for users who want precision, power, and modern conveniences in one package. It is powered by a 4.8A low-speed induction motor running at 1750 RPM with a rated power of 3/4 HP and a peak power of 1 1/4 HP. This combination provides plenty of torque while maintaining a slower speed that is ideal for sharpening without overheating tools. The grinder includes extra-wide, high-quality WA grinding wheels with an 80-grit wheel on one side and a 120-grit wheel on the other, making it suitable for both shaping and fine sharpening tasks. One standout feature is the built-in 3-watt LED light with an individual switch, which greatly improves visibility for detailed sharpening work. The adjustable eye shield with a 3x magnifying lens adds another layer of precision and safety. The luxury cast aluminum tool rest is adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees, allowing users to achieve accurate angles with ease. Stability is ensured by a cast iron base with rubber feet, resulting in vibration-free operation. That wraps up the top 5 best-rated bench grinders. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.